In this mathematics video, students will be shown how to create algebraic expressions and evaluate them by substituting a given value for each variable. To make it easier to understand unknown numbers, mathematicians use letters. Different letters represent different numbers in equations. In mathematics, the letters used to represent unknowns are called pronumerals. It is the role of the mathematician to determine the value of pronumerals. Now, let's have a look at an example of how we can find the value of a pronumeral. The first step is to identify the known variables in an equation and the unknown variables, otherwise referred to as the pronumeral. The second step is to separate the unknown variables and the known variables. The unknown variables in the form of the pronumeral is placed on one side of the equal sign. The known variables are placed on the other side of the equal sign. When moving numbers across an equal sign, it is really important to remember a few mathematical rules. When a number moves from one side of an equal sign to the other, the value of the number reverses. It's also important to remember that if a number doesn't have a mathematical symbol in front of it, it represents a positive. In our example mathematical equation, the square with 6 pink dots moves to the other side of the equals sign. When the box moves across the equals sign, it changes from a positive to a negative. That means we now have -6 pink dots in the box. The third step involves rearranging the mathematical equation. The equation changes from 6 plus a equals 15 to a equals 15 minus 6. The final step in this example is to solve the equation. The equation a is equal to 15 minus 6 becomes a is equal to 9. So, in this case, the pronumeral a is equal to the number 9. Once you have completed this process successfully with pictures, you should move on finding the value of pronumerals using numbers and pronumerals. An example is given for you to follow. This video has been created by Capitalize Education. At Capitalize Education, we aim to support teachers with personalized learning.